Picture $500 cash landing in your account. You saved it, no side job required, all in just 30 days. That's your challenge. No gimmicks, just a focused plan. Why $500? It could jumpstart your emergency fund, pay down debt, or fund a weekend getaway. We'll break this down into 4 weekly missions, each with a clear target. This isn't about deprivation. It's about being smart with what you already have. You'll uncover hidden cash in your budget and build habits that last. Each week, you'll tackle a new mission. Cut small expenses, slash your bills, try a cash-only challenge, and boost your income. By the end, you'll not only have $500 saved, but a new level of confidence in your money skills. Ready to take control? Let's get started. Focus on 1 week at a time. Don't get overwhelmed by the big number. This is about changing habits, not just crunching numbers. You're about to prove you have more power over your money than you think. Let's dive into your first mission. Week 1 is all about plugging the small leaks in your spending. Skip the daily coffee run, pack your lunch, and bring snacks from home. These little changes can save you up to $20 a day. Over 5 workdays, that's $100, without sacrificing much. This isn't forever. It's a short-term reset to see where your money really goes. When tempted by takeout or snacks, remind yourself of your $500 goal. Choose what you want most, financial progress, over what you want now. By the end of the week, move your savings straight into your account. Celebrate your first $100 saved. You've proven small actions add up. Get ready for week 2, where we'll tackle bigger expenses. Let's keep the momentum going. Week 2, time to lower your monthly bills. Pick one recurring bill, cell phone, internet, or streaming, and call to negotiate a better rate. Ask for promotions or loyalty discounts, and don't be afraid to mention competitors. Many people save $20, $50 a month with a single call. Next, review your subscriptions. Cancel any you don't use. Cutting 2 $15 services adds $30 to your savings this month. Between negotiating and canceling, you could save $60 this week. Add that to last week's $100, and you're at $160 saved. You're learning to be a proactive consumer. This skill pays off for years. Every bill you review is a chance to save. Now get ready for a hands-on challenge in week 3. Let's keep stacking those savings. Week 3, let's get tactical. Switch to cash for groceries, gas, and extras. When the cash is gone, you're done spending. This makes every purchase feel real and curbs impulse buys. Now try a no-spend weekend. No shopping, no restaurants, no paid events. Get creative. Use what you have, enjoy free activities, and rediscover simple fun. The average person spends $100, $200 on a weekend. By spending nothing, you save big. Let's say you save $100 from your no-spend weekend and another $25 from using cash. That's $125 more in your savings. Add it up, you're now at $285 saved, over halfway to your goal. This week isn't just about saving. It's about changing your relationship with money. You're building discipline and seeing real results. Ready for the final push? Let's finish strong. Week 4, let's boost your income. Look around for things you no longer use. Old electronics, clothes, furniture. Sell at least 2 items online. Even a few sales can bring in $150 or more. Want to go further? Try a quick side gig. Deliver food, walk dogs, or babysit for a weekend. A short-term hustle can add another $100, $200. Let's say you make $250 this week from selling in side gigs. Add that to your $285 and you've saved $535 in just 30 days. You didn't just meet your goal, you crushed it. Take a moment to celebrate your progress. Keep your savings in a high-yield account and set up automatic transfers to keep growing. You've built habits and confidence that will last. You proved you can do it. So don't stop now. Your financial future just got a whole lot brighter.